Goeiemorgen. Those who know me and follow me on Instagram and Facebook have seen, most probably I've been posting about pulmonary hypertension, and I think a lot of people don't know what it really is. So pulmonary hypertension is basically high blood pressure in your lungs that causes your heart to struggle to pump in blood, and it prevents your lungs from absorbing all the oxygen and spreading to your rest of your body. So it's a challenging disease to have. At the moment there's no cure, but with the right medicine and training and exercise, you can live a fairly normal life. So my story started last year August when I was feeling out of breath with exertion, and it progressively got worse, up to a point where I couldn't walk 200 meters without having to stop and catch my breath. My stats have significantly increased with treatment, and yeah, it's just been amazing. Yesterday I did a 6-minute walk test.